Hello, Peter checking in again. This is day 25. We're nearly there on this meditation series. Will meditation help me relax when I'm reading? Goodness me, was I a terrible reader. Mind going everywhere. You're reading a paragraph on the page and now I realise when I'm doing it, a few deep breaths, back to focusing on what I'm reading, and I start to actually digest the information better because I'm in a calmer state, more receptive, more coming down towards the theta level of the brain, low alpha theta, which is where you're like a sponge for information. It kind of sticks in with you. So meditation will help you with that. It will help you to read in a better manner and retain the information, which is more important, that you're reading. Because sometimes I'll be reading something and thinking about something else. No good for you, no good for you whatsoever. So meditation will help you to relax and read in a better manner. A lot of people can do that anyway, so that's great, but there's some people who need a little extra help with that, and meditation will help you with your reading and to relax in a better way. So a lot of people find relaxing by reading, which is great to stimulate your mind like that, so fantastic. If you haven't tried it already, I've created a 5 meditation technique webinar to transform your life. You just click the link below and give it a go. You get 5 meditation techniques in that in about half an hour. Also, I run Qigong classes on this channel, which you can try. If you hit the subscribe button and the bell, it will let you know when the Qigong classes are coming up. Also, let you know of all the other activities I'm doing on the channel. Let you know what things I'm doing with meditation, mindfulness, and my talk videos, which is about freeing yourself from all the burdens that we have on our life. Yeah, that's what we want, yeah? Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.